Oh, you see it all the way back there?
No.
Oh, okay, good. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. So I feel like I've already done so much today, so I want to keep up with that productivity. So I thought I would do a little summer reset since, as you can see, I have so much laundry in the back that I need to fold. And then I also have stuff I need to do downstairs, but right now it's 3:30. I'm currently waiting for my husband to get off work. So, oh, thank you, Lydia. So I thought I might as well clean up and get everything all tidied.
Dido.
What?
Dido.
What key?
Dido.
I don't know, Lydia. I don't know where you put it. But I need to make a list of what I need to do because if I don't, I feel like I'm gonna forget everything. And I always leave things until super last minute to do. So I feel like I need to start to get into like some type of system because when things are messy, it just makes me feel so ugh. But this little one just woke up for a nap, so she's not gonna go back to bed until 7. And then Lydia, I'm gonna put her to bed at like 5:30 to get her out of my hair. But she doesn't nap anymore, so she actually does need to go to bed super early or she will be extremely grumpy and she turns into a little gremlin by like 5 o'clock, so that's coming up and she's... Are you balancing on your little sofa?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
Do you need some clothes?
No.
Okay, then she has spoken.
My sofa.
What do I need to do?
My sofa.
What is that?
My sofa.
I need to what?
My sofa.
Play.
Yeah.
Play what?
Dada.
Play with Dada?
Yeah.
I need to add that on my list to play with Dada?
No.
Okay, let me write that on my list to play with Dada. What else do I need to do? So I have laundry, dishes, wash the sheets.
Okay.
Is that enough? I think that's pretty productive, getting all of that done. Oh, what, Chloe? What do you need? Do you need something? All right, so let's get started. Does anyone just keep a bag of diapers in their room, or is it just me? I can just put it in there throughout the day and just throw it away at the end of the day. Is that a normal thing to do, or are we just nasty? Look at this really cute bag I got from Temu as well. It's so soft. There's a logo on it, but I ripped it off. So this is what I have to tackle. And why is there a random toothbrush? This way. The bathroom's kind of a mess as well. Care of that. But look at this barn door my husband put up. Isn't this amazing? It is so cute because originally we had a door that would open into this one, so they would just smack each other all the time and we hated it. So he put this one up and we stained it ourselves. It looks so good. Yes. You have to do the bed. We have to clean the room. Y'all record with kids because like this one is constantly trying to touch the camera and I'm like, stop touching, stop touching. Lydia, don't touch it, please. Don't touch it. We need to work. And then we have crying babies. I don't know how y'all do this. Yep, over there. Here's another one. Put it in that pile. Oh, watch out for baby.
Yeah.
How do y'all do laundry with kids? She's literally just rolling all over the towels that I just folded. Does anyone just secretly throw away their husband's clothes because it has a bunch of holes in it? Is that just me? Like every time I see a very raggedy t-shirt, I just toss it in the trash. He has no idea because he doesn't do laundry. Guys, I kid you not. A fly literally just flew into my hair and I heard it buzzing and now I am freaking the heck out because I don't know where the fly went. I don't see it. So now I'm worried it's still in my hair and I'm literally getting goosebumps. Lydia, can you not stand like that in your chair, please? You know I can see you, right? I'm watching you. They think I can't see them just because they're playing in their room. Chloe, where are you going? I ran out of adult hangers, so now I'm using their hangers. Lydia, be careful while you're bouncing. Baby's right behind you, okay? Yeah, I don't want you to bounce on baby. Everything's all clean in here except for the bed because they're washing right now. So I just have to wait for that. It's now 4:40, so it's dinner time for the girls and I don't think I'm gonna get to the rest of it. I am still itchy from the fly landing in my hair. So I'm just gonna call it a day and do the rest of the stuff another day. But yeah, I think having a clean room is good enough. So once I have all the sheets and stuff on there, everything will feel so much better and just not as overwhelming with all the clothes and stuff in there. If y'all are like me and you can't get everything done in one day, it's totally fine. Don't feel guilty because it's a lot of work taking care of kids because it took me over an hour to fold that clothes. Like that was literally not even that many loads of laundry, I feel like. It really wasn't that much, but it's almost impossible to get anything done with the both of them. So, don't feel guilty if you can't get anything done because it's totally okay and your kids would rather spend time with you. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye! You're saying bye? Lydia, why are you eating your grapes there?